The anomalies command in Splunk is used to detect data anomalies by applying advanced algorithms and customizable sensitivity settings. It helps identify unusual patterns or deviations in your data that might indicate significant events or issues. The anomalies command is a powerful tool in Splunk that detects unusual behaviors in data streams using multiple algorithms for improved accuracy. Common use cases include detecting security threats, monitoring system performance, identifying fraudulent activity, and gaining operational insights. The basic syntax of the anomalies command involves specifying the field to analyze, such as a numeric field, along with optional parameters like sensitivity and algorithm choice. For example, using the command with a specified field and setting sensitivity to 0.5 applies the default algorithm to detect anomalies. The anomalies command supports several detection algorithms including baseline methods, spike detection, change point analysis, and outlier detection. The sensitivity setting ranges from 0.1 to 1.0, where a higher value means the command becomes more sensitive and will flag more potential anomalies by adjusting the detection threshold. You can use multiple algorithms simultaneously by specifying all available options. Adjusting the sensitivity to a specific value like 0.7 helps fine-tune the detection process to balance between detecting anomalies and reducing false positives, providing a more comprehensive analysis. The output of the anomalies command includes flagged data points that have been identified as anomalies, along with their respective anomaly scores. These scores indicate the likelihood of deviation from normal behavior. Key output fields include anomaly score, which is a numeric measure of anomaly level, and anomaly label, which marks if a data point is considered an anomaly. An example query uses the anomalies command on a field such as CPU usage with a set sensitivity. The query then extracts and displays relevant fields including the time, the raw data, anomaly score, and the anomaly label. This allows for easy visualization and investigation of detected anomalies within your dataset. The anomalies command offers powerful capabilities to detect data irregularities using customizable algorithms and sensitivity settings. It helps analysts identify, investigate, and respond to unusual events effectively by providing clear output fields which highlight anomalous data points. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.